Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist who's here to help you, guide you, direct you, and inspire you on to great successes with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. Do you know that most people think that keto is just about cutting carbs and eating more fat? But what if I told you that focusing only on the food is the biggest reason people struggle or even fail on keto? The secret to long-term success with keto isn't just on what you eat, it's how you balance your entire lifestyle. If you're feeling stuck, sluggish, or frustrated on your keto journey, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a sustainable, balanced keto lifestyle, including nutrition, movement, social life, and stress management without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. Let's dive in. You know, the ketogenic lifestyle is often associated with strict food choices, macros, and carb counting, but achieving true success on keto goes well beyond just what's on your plate. Balance is truly the key to sustainability, and that means incorporating nutrition, activity, socializing, and relaxation into your lifestyle in a way that complements your health and happiness. Number 1, balanced nutrition. Quality over perfection is most desirable. You know, keto is not just about cutting carbs. It's about fueling your body with nutrient-dense whole foods that promote energy, satiety, and overall well-being. A well-balanced keto diet includes high-quality proteins, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients from sources like grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, eggs, dairy, avocados, nuts, and leafy greens. Instead of hyper-focusing on macros alone, consider nutritional variety. Incorporate different protein and fat sources to avoid monotony and ensure you're getting all the vitamins and minerals your body truly needs. And don't stress about occasional slip-ups. They happen. What matters is your overall consistency, not perfection. Number 2, staying active. Move in a way that works for you. Exercise is truly a natural complement to the keto lifestyle. While many people associate keto with the weight loss, it is also energy optimization, metabolic health, and strength is also key components. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to stay active. Find an activity you truly enjoy, whether it's strength training, walking, Pilates, yoga, or swimming. Low-intensity, steady-state exercise, which I call LISS, L-I-S-S, such as walking or hiking, pairs well with keto, while resistance training helps maintain lean muscle mass. If you're new to keto, you might experience lower energy levels at first due to keto adaptation. Don't push yourself too hard during this initial phase. Listen to your body, and once you're fat adapted, you'll likely notice improved endurance and energy levels. Number 3, socializing, maintaining a life outside of food. You know, one challenge many people face on keto is navigating social situations where non-keto foods are present. The key here is balance. You don't have to isolate yourself to stay on track. Plan ahead by checking restaurant menus online, offering to bring a dish to gatherings, or eating before you go out if necessary. More importantly, remember that social interactions aren't just about food. Focus on enjoying the company you are around. Conversation and experiences are very, very important. If you do indulge occasionally, get right back on track without guilt. That's really key. It's also helpful to surround yourself with supportive, like-minded people, whether it's online in a keto community or like-minded friends, family, and acquaintances who might really respect your choices and your attitudes towards nutrition. Number 4, relaxation. Manage stress for long-term success. That's very key with keto, to keep the stress low and to encourage you to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Chronic stress can sabotage your progress by increasing cortisol levels, which can lead to cravings, inflammation, and disrupted sleep patterns. Relaxation is just as important as nutrition and activity. Incorporate stress management techniques into your routine, like mindfulness or meditation, to reduce stress and improve focus. Quality sleep is very important to support metabolism and recovery. Stop eating at nightfall. That's a very primary tip I give to all my clients. Journaling or gratitude practice to maintain a positive mindset is also very helpful. Find relaxation activities that work for you, whether that's reading, taking a bath, or spending time with nature. Remember, keto is not just a diet. It's truly a lifestyle, and that lifestyle should support your mental and emotional well-being as much as your physical health. Now, my final thoughts on the power of balance. The key to long-term success on keto is not just cutting carbs, it's creating a sustainable, balanced lifestyle that aligns with your personal goals. Prioritize nutrient-dense foods, enjoyable movement, social connections, and stress management to make your journey fulfilling and enjoyable. By focusing on balance, not just restriction, you'll create a keto lifestyle that is not only effective but also sustainable, which is really key, rewarding and empowering for years to come. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below this video. I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.